Hello, all. Very good evening. I'm going to discuss very serious thing that happened on September 27, the day of unforgivable loss. We lost 10 innocent children, aged between 2 to 17. They lost their lives in the stampede at a political party rally by actor turned politician Joseph Vijay. It wasn't a number. They are children, their dreams, and the family. At 9 a.m., over 4,000 family arrived in Velasambalayam ground. Permitted capacity is only 10,000. But it turned out to be actual crowd 30,000 plus. The children were waiting 6 hours under the hot heat without shade of water. The fatal moment happened. The crash of the stole their breath. At 7:40 p.m., the arrival of bus sparking chaos. The toss of the water bottle by actor Vijay triggered the search. Children fall, suffocated, crashed under crowd weight. You could see the name Dhuru, Sai, Jeeva, Hemalatha, Sai, Karthik, Palavamanir, Sanju, Dakshana, Kokila, Kishore. It's all aged between 2 years to 17, the maximum, 13. And the cause of the death, I collected from their report of autopsy. Dhuru has died. There is no fractures, several chest compressions. Sai, due to multiple rib fraction and lung compression. Hemalatha, 4 rib fracture. Sailetsana, multiple rib fracture, about 5. And her heart and lungs were punctured. Karthik, ribs and chest crush. Palavinamal, aged 11 only, 3 to 4 rib fracture, lungs damage, crush, toxin in the blood. Sanju, chest compression, minor fracture, rib, asphyxia. All this cause of this particular tragedy, I would like to highlight what mistake Dhuru, the 2-year boy, carried by father, Sai Jeevan, just a 4 years boy. The victims of the girl children, Hemalatha, 8, climbed a shed, fall into the crowd surge. That is a report. Sailetsana, age suffocated beyond her sister. Palavinamal, 11 years old child, ribs broken for the barricade. Dharunika, 14, pushed down by the surge. Kokila, 14, crushed under branch. Autopsy report is a truth. What report reveals? All the deaths due to compressive asphyxia. Victims gasped for 2 to 3 minutes for a breathing and they collapsed. 25 due to sophisticated, 5 plus rib injuries, internal bleeding. After the Amit family shattered, the families waited 12 hours in the DNA confirmation of the bodies. Santosh Dhuru father, he was my world. The villagers all cried everywhere. The call for justice for legacy, no more mercy, no more silent loss. We need a demand and we need to make sure this is not going to happen. And I want all this political party to not to campaign anywhere in Karur, and especially TVK and the party need to be banned immediately.